Hello everybody and welcome to a new video. I'm going to do something a little different today. I'm going to do a Machinist Reacts video. So we're just going to Google some machining failures and react to them and see how it goes. I haven't seen any of these before except this next one. Kaboom. Ooh. That's expensive. Milling some plastic here. Oh gosh! What happened there? What happened there? The whole spindle just fell out of the... How does that even happen? Oh, that's Haas. Haas, please sponsor me with a VF2 SS, please. Oh, that's not supposed to turn like that. I think that's good, honestly. What is holding that part on? Apparently tape was. No wonder it flew off. Sorry. That takes some skill. It's through the controller. That's the CNC controller. They threw a drill through. Stupid controller doesn't know what it's doing anyways. Oh, that's what you call a helicopter there. So that was at one point in time a straight bar, and it's in a lathe and it spins. And at one point in time it got a little bend in it, and so when it spun, it started to do a whole helicopter thing. And as you can tell, that doesn't end well, ever. I've actually seen this video before. They actually showed us in machining school. They show us this video. But this is what happens when bar stock isn't properly suspended. See, it starts at the lathe and just got a little wobble now. More wobble. Doesn't even know what's happening. Can't even tell. And now he hears something, and he's hitting that E-stop as much as he can, but it's not stopping at all. That's probably the best case scenario you can hope for in that situation. And that's why lathes are scary. And Haas, if you're listening, mill, not a lathe. Hit me up. Oh! Yeah, funny thing about that is when that happens, that's a hunk of steel spinning, and it doesn't stop. There's so much momentum and so much yeah, there's so much energy in that. That thing's not stopping for a country mile. Just doing a little part off. This is some WD-40 as coolant. Great idea. You need to turn up your speed on your lathe, bud, or that can happen. That's a mill? Hold on. This is why people say fake news is a thing. That is a mill. That is not a lathe. Fake news. You're the enemy of the people. I don't say anything wrong, right? Oh! Oh, it is a lathe. Oh, it is a lathe. Never mind. That's a both. Yeah, that's a... You still have your finger. I mean, at least that's good. Got all of them, right? No, listen to me. I guess that was a lathe. Ooh. You, sir, are so lucky. Oh, this is why lasers are scary, because they can murder you in 20 seconds. Kid, I don't know how you stop that thing, but that just ripped his shirt, his coat and shirt clean off. Now I know what they're about to do. He's going to try to stop that spindle. He's thinking, oh, I'm strong enough. I'm just going to hold the spindle here. And when he turns it on, I'm not going to die. You're going to die, kid. Turn it on and... Oh!
Stop. Stop. Holy shit.
Yeah. That's why I don't screw with lathes, people. I don't screw with lathes. Doing a pass, everything. Oh! Oh! What about... Part did not want to be filmed. Well, I'm going to call it there for this video. Thank you all for watching. It was a blast. Remember, like, follow, subscribe, all that fun stuff. Till the next video. See y'all. Take care. Milling some plastic here. Oh, gosh.